Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I am going to be sharing with you my face self-tan routine that is literally the only one that you're going to need. I feel like I have perfected my tanning routine. I have found a couple that are just perfect at an affordable price and that just look so good every single time. So I wanted to share with you guys the combo that I have been grabbing for non-stop whenever I'm not trying a new self-tanner. So it's gonna be a really fun one. I'm gonna show you guys what the products are. I'm gonna demo the products for you guys so you could actually see what the results look like the next day once everything is developed. So yeah, before we get into it, please make sure to give this a thumbs up and please subscribe to the channel. Join the fam, make sure that you are not missing out on 3 videos a week. But if you want to see my only self-tanners for the face that you will need, stay tuned for the rest of the video. Okay guys, like I said, this is gonna be a fun one because as you know, I've tried so many self-tanners for the face, for the body, you name it. And I've tried a lot of good ones, a lot of not so good ones, and I have a couple of current favorite products that I just keep finding myself reaching for whenever I'm not trying a new product. I know in the past, and still, I rave about the Dolce Glow, the Aqua Face Mist. Still an absolute favorite of mine, but now that I'm pregnant, I'm trying not to use any sprays on my face just so that I'm not like ingesting the spray. So I'm sticking with more like serums, creams, all that. That's why that one's not featured in this video, but just know that is a favorite of all time. But these are some really, really good ones too. So I'll go over the products with you guys and then I'm gonna show you my kind of routine of how I go about applying. So obviously first step is prepping the skin. I feel like that's the most important for face and body to get a good color. So I washed my face ahead of time. I cleansed, I exfoliated. I did a very light layer of moisturizer just so that my face would feel prepped for putting some color. Sorry, my cat is right here. But yeah, so then obviously next step would be applying self-tanner. So the 2 products that I have are the Sunnee BAEskin BAEside Serum Drops Self-Tanner. Such an obsession. This is the sister brand to Dolce Glow, the Aqua Face Mist that I love so much. So this is the face serum, and then the other product that I pair it with is the Sunnee BAEskin BAEside C Sculpt Self-Tanner. So I'll apply the Sunnee BAE serum all over my face, and then I'll contour my face, tan contour my face, with the sculpting stick. It is the best combo you've ever seen for facial self-tanner. It just looks so good every time. It looks so natural. Another thing that I really love about these products is that they are on the affordable side. So the serum drops are $18. I feel like that's very affordable for a self-tanner. A little goes a long way. You do not need a ton of product. So this is gonna last you forever, or at least a pretty long time. And the tan sculpting stick is $19. And this is also one where a little goes a long way. I'm a little bit generous when it comes to applying this just because I love it so much, but you do not need a ton of product. It gives you just the most subtle yet perfectly contoured natural look to your face that literally just elevates what the drops do on their own. So the combination of these is just everything. It is so good. Both blend beautifully, both look so natural, which obviously you're gonna see tomorrow once I've let this develop on my face. But those were just some of the main points here. And then these do have skincare in them. So this has blue-green algae, sea kelp, wakame, and moringa seed oil, which I love. I love that this has a focus on skincare and it's affordable. It's like the best of both worlds. So it feels like you're incorporating skincare into your self-tanning ritual, I guess, or it feels like you're incorporating self-tanning into your skincare ritual. So I absolutely love that. I think all that's left to do is Ooh, I forgot to talk about packaging. The other reason I'm so obsessed with this, you know I'm a sucker for packaging. This is glass. It's like a frosted glass. It's such good quality packaging and it's only $18. Like, it blows my mind every time I talk about this because I'm like, how is this only 18 bucks? I just don't understand it. So, and this packaging also is so, so cute. It reminds me of like a makeup contour stick. So it feels like you're applying makeup, but it lasts a few days. So again, you get the best of everything. Now all that's left to do is apply. So I'm just gonna show you guys how I apply both of these products. I'll speed through them as usual, and then we'll talk like initial details and all that, and then I'll let it develop. So I'm applying the drops with my fingers, and then I'm applying the tan product and blending it with a brush, just literally lightly tapping it into my face just to get it placed where I want it to be. So now we can start applying. Let's go. All right, guys, I'm back. I just finished applying and blending and then applying and blending. And here is what I'm looking like. Obviously, I look a little bit crazy at the moment. I look like I just put bronzer all over my face and didn't blend it. But this is very much a trust the process kind of a thing. Like, if you're in a hurry and you're going somewhere, I probably would not grab for this routine first thing. But if you're like me and you wear self tanner overnight, this is probably gonna be a good one. So I look a little bit crazy, but I'm gonna let this sit overnight, develop, do its thing, and then tomorrow morning I'm going to rinse my face off. Once this has developed, and you'll be able to see the final result, which will be a very beautiful, very natural looking tan with a light, subtle contour. So it's gonna be really, really good. Obviously, in terms of feeling, this just feels so amazing. It feels so like slippery yet soft when you apply it on the face, and it's so, so easy to blend, which is why I love it so much. And then the contour stick is just so easy to blend in, so easy to like swipe onto your face, so easy to work with. Obviously, it looks a little bit crazy once it's applied, but once you wash it off, again, you just get the most beautiful, subtle result. Like, it doesn't look crazy like this. It's very subtle. It creates like a subtle shadow to where you placed it. So you will see all of that tomorrow, but for right now, I'm gonna let these sit overnight, develop, do their thing, and then tomorrow once I wake up, I'm just gonna rinse, and then I'll come back to show you guys what the final result is. So I will see you guys tomorrow. Okay guys, I'm back. It's the next day, and here is my tan. So obviously I got some really good color after applying these two products. So I did want to point out the very subtle shadow that you get from this contour, even like right up here, the upper and outer parts of my forehead. My jawline is looking a little bit more snatched, and I just love the very subtle shadow it gives to my cheekbones. Like, if you weren't paying attention to it, you couldn't tell that there's product on there. It's just giving me that perfected, like, chiseled out look while being very, very subtle. So I love what that does for me every single time. The color itself is so, so beautiful. Like, it's not super dark to where it looks like you're wearing fake tan. It just gives a very even, natural look. And it looks so, so pretty. Like, it goes so well with my body self tanner. Like, everything just looks very, very natural. My nose may look a little bit funny. I couldn't breathe through my nose last night, so I had to put a nasal strip on when I went to sleep. So it messed with my nose tan just a little bit, but it's not too bad. I feel like it's giving me a little button nose effect, so I can't complain. But yeah, just in case you notice something there, that's why. But this tan overall is one of my favorites to do. It's like literally, like I said, the only tan that you'll ever need. Like, I feel like I've perfected this. It's two very, very simple steps. Like, this takes no time to apply to your whole face. This also takes hardly any time. Like, you literally just brush on, tap it in, and you're good to go for the night, and then you just rinse off and you are ready. So I'm obsessed. Super quick, super easy, super affordable, and you get a beautiful result every time. So I hope you guys enjoyed. That is all I have for today. Comment and let me know what you think about the results, about the products, all those things. Let me know what else you want to see from me. Give this a huge thumbs up and please subscribe to the channel, but stay tuned and I will see you guys in the next video.